Christ, chill, I'm recording. Ah, goddamn it. What?
What? I can't hear you!
Okay, thanks. I'll be down in a minute. I'm playing a quick game.
What? What did you say?
How you doing?
This is loud Uno with the bitches!
Bitch.
I'm gonna throw down a 3!
Yeah.
No, it's loud, not quiet! Fuck you!
Oh,
You fucking missed your turn, you're stupid!
You will stop trying.
Ah!
Give me a second.
No! Fuck off! Ah!
Ethan, we're supposed to be working as a team here.
Bro, I think my voice is gonna die. Fuck off, Jaquay, you sound like a retard. Fuck off.
His eyes over there. I don't think he's gonna survive any longer. We have a man down. Fuck, I can't even drink my water.
Here you go, Trey.
I can't play my fucking cards right now. Why can I not play my fucking card? Hello?
Right, you can probably press triangle to stack it, retard.
Did I?
Yeah, spittle!
Suck that big cock!
Alright, here you go, Trey.
Take my cards, bitch! You want them. Fuck you.
Thank you.
Suck it.
Thank you. I'll take them back now.
Fuck!
Yeah, fuck you, retard.
Fuck you, bitch ass!
Yeah,
Suck my dick! When I want something, it's mine, bitch!
No, fuck you, bitch!
Fuck!
Ah!
Okay.
Fuck you, bitch ass!
The scariest
Fuck
thing I'd
off,
see.
dick!
Thank you.
The scariest thing I'd ever see is a group of middle-aged women lined up, forming a human centipede with absolutely no hair on them. He fucked
There you
himself. Oh goddammit.
Oh shit, how do you say that?
Don't say that out loud, Chris, because now they can catch that shit, retard. Or not. I guess they can let it slide. I take shit.
Oh fuck, I don't got a yellow.
I take shit on you! You don't have a yellow, you fucking lying piece of shit.
No, I didn't. I had a
The
6.
fuck did you just play? Chris, why did you do that?
Give it to Trey.
Dude, oh
This
my
is
god,
why.
you're
This
fucking...
is why. That's why. Stack it.
But still, I know I can stack it, Chris. I know how to play, but why'd you do that? We could have made Jaquay draw, and if he could have stacked that, you could have stacked yours then, and it would have made Trey draw anyway. Don't do that.
But look at that. We gave Jaquay more, so chill. I know what I'm
Fucking play
doing.
smart. Don't play retarded.
I am playing smart.
I know you're mentally retarded by diagnosis,
Unstable?
but fucking... I know you're mentally retarded by diagnosis, but calm down.
Unstable.
Purge your retardation for a moment.
Damn.
Bro, longest fucking game of Uno? Let's go.
Not really. We've only been playing for 11 minutes.
Yes, bro, keep drawing. You know you want to.
Oh crap! Now they got
Fuck
the good
you,
hand. They
faggot.
got the good hand.
Butt sex.
Ethan,
You're
just draw.
butt sex. Oh, I'll play that.
Play
Fuck
it.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
What?
Oh,
Sex.
yes.
I got Jacoy's shitty ass hand.
Sex of the butt.
Alright, give me that. See what we can get. Alright.
Dude, we have so many fucking cards. Eee.
Eee.
Dude, look at my fucking hand.
I like it.
How
It's
can
hot.
I even view this much at once? Like, this isn't even fucking...
Dude, that's not even the maximum amount of cards that you can have in your hand. I literally, last night, I think at one point I had 20 cards in my hand against bots with Jaquair. Alright, alright, alright. Chris, I don't know why you didn't jump in with your yellow one earlier.
That's why!
Gotcha.
Boom!
Shit! Oh shit!
Because he had a yellow. Here you go.
Gotcha.
Fucking bitch.
Oh shit!
Fucked, Chris. You got fucked. At least they can't win. At least.
Whose turn is it? What the fuck?
It's Jaquair's turn. I don't know why it's frozen. The fuck?
Jacoy?
One.
I think the game must. I think we broke the game.
So just click every button at possible.
I fucking pressed 8 and I set down the 8. Why the?
Whoa,
Oh,
what the
connection
fuck?
error.
Wait,
That's
Trey just got
fucking weird.
yeeted out of the game. What the hell?
Yeah, I know, what the fuck?
You just got replaced by Rudy the Rudolph.
I was in that bitch at 1 second, the next minute I was like, yeet!
Alright, and they're still
They were
lagging.
like, fuck your bitch ass! You don't want you in here!
He's like, you're
Okay,
still
so
in the
who's not going now?
What
Whose turn is it now?
game. It's not mine!
Forget about the turn.
Unable to connect. Looks like you're unable to connect to the host. Please check your network and try again later. I'm getting yeeted.
Bye, Ethan! Alright, my new team is Cook. Cook.
Fuck the skinny white man first, we'll get everybody else later.
Ethan, your name is now Cook.
Hold on, whoever gets kicked next, whoever's the last one on there wins.
Well,
Their
it's
team
gonna
wins.
be Jaquay because he's the host.
That's not necessarily true, so just wait it out. Wait and see who gets kicked first.
Damn it!
Was it you?
No, it's Jaquay, like I said.
No, I'm saying, was it you that got kicked?
Yes. Alright, so. I guess I'm just gonna stroke my balls for a minute. Oh no! Double. Ooh, thank you.
No.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, thank you. There you go.
Ethan, what button do I click for Uno?
It's square. It'll show you in the bottom right-hand corner. And it's triangle to challenge somebody if they didn't say Uno. Like if you catch them not saying Uno, you press triangle to challenge them.
Okay, and then if there's a card that you can place over another person's card, what button do you press for that?
It's random.
Yeah, it's random. Fuck.
Uh-oh. Oh!
What the fuck?
Yes! No!
I'm gonna keep this shit going. Bitch.
Bitch.
Fuck it. Fuck.
Fuck it.
It's reverse yellow. Yeah, fuck you, Jaquay, suck my dick.
There we go.
Fuck off.
Call your shit.
Fuck yeah.
Here, Trey, I'm trusting you to do something.
You fucking trust my ass?
Yes, do something to play.
I don't have anything but this.
Okay, Hero, here's a second chance.
That didn't do anything but change the number, Chris. So I don't have anything but this.
It didn't even change the number. Trey.
Fuck! 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 Chris! Why would you make it go back? Fuck! Why? I had that shit at the beginning. Fuck! Fuck!
Here you go, Trey, I'll make you feel better.
Fucking thanks. Better, I love that shit. Come at me, daddy. I'm ready. The hell? It's a 5. Is that a 5 that I just placed?
No,
That was a 9.
Fuck off!
Target. 4 gay. 4 gay.
I swear to God, if that's
I
you
swear
fucking
to God,
pile
I'm
of shit.
Shut the fuck up. I'm just kidding. I'll leave it.
Fuck!
Stop biting me. My fucking arms hurt, dog. I will fucking throw you across the room.
Fuck off!
Oh, dude.
give me back my hand.
Fuck me. I need more crack.
Fuck! I saw the call Uno button and I pushed it and it didn't go. What the hell? That's gay. That is so gay.
Wow, great fucking hand.
Yeah, no shit.
Oh, thank you. Now I get my hand back.
Fucking damn it.
Fucking damn it.
Y'all niggas need to just let me goddamn win.
Here you go, guys.
The part that kind of screws me, I'm gonna be completely honest with you, Chris, is I knew my hand, but then I went down to take a bite of food, and then I noticed I had drawn more cards, and then you switched hands with me, so I didn't see what the damn cards were. So I'm fucked. Now Trey has my cards, and I don't remember what the fuck they were.
I do. It's a dream.
Oh yes, let's play fuck Ethan in the ass. I'm really loving this game right now.
Here you go.
No, fuck you. Take it back.
No, you go ahead.
Alright, fine. I guess you convinced me. Fuck you, Jaquay.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, bet. I'll take that. Fuck you again, Jaquay.
Here you go.
And fuck me.
Here you go. Remember when Jaquay was at Uno? This is where he is now.
When you think you got Uno and this shit happens.
Yeah, fuck you, Trey. You thought you were gonna win? Man, I thought I was gonna win, but I guess not.
Oh, Ethan, you want a turn? Here you go. Since I'm a nice man.
Bet. I love you, bro. Here, have that.
No, I insist.
No, oh, well, fuck.
No, oh, wow, well, fuck. Oh, thanks, Trey!
What color is it?
It's the color wouldn't you like to know?
Fuck!
We're reliant on Trey to get a draw card. Fuck.
Fuck.
Oh, hey!
Alright, I'm gonna reveal what color it is, okay?
No, you're not. I know it's not blue.
It's not yellow, it's not blue.
Thank you. I needed cards anyways.
Yeah, so do I, apparently. Fuck this game. Fucking bullshit.
So whose hand you gonna take?
Let's see what hand you have there.
Ooh. Ooh.
Interesting.
Fuck me!
That's an interesting ending hand.
Yeah, this is an interesting ending hand too.
You're not even on an ending hand. The fuck? It's three cards or lower that are ending hands.
No, no, I'm telling you, this is my ending hand. You wanna know why? That's why.
Hmm.
Full circle, bitch.
Fuck my anus and call me Jerry.
We went full circle. I told you I have an ending hand.
Fuck off.
I have an ending too. It's called fuck yourself.
Jesus. Chris.
Bro, is your hand not good?
No, my hand's shit.
Oh, your hand's shit? Well, here.
Thanks. I actually like that a lot.
God damn, I need a yellow. Fuck. God damn it.
Ethan, I insist you
Fuck
go.
you, Jake.
I insist you go.
Trey is fucked now. Now we know he needs a yellow.
Here you go.
Because I knew it was gonna fuck my ass. So all I had was that fucking 7. Fuck you. Fucking stupid ass.
Never trust a high man in anything he says.
I wasn't trusting you. I knew you didn't have yellow.
Oh no.
Because you had already played your yellow. Fucking
Fuck.
retard.
He's got a red, eh?
Fuck.
No, I want it blue, bitch.
It's just gonna go forever. Holy fuck.
We're already 51 minutes into this.
Shit, we've been here for 50 minutes?
Yes.
Holy fuck! Get his bitch ass with something that's not. Oh, really? Like, I'm gonna do shit. The fuck am I supposed to do with that bullshit? What? Oh, fuck. Fuck! Shit!
So it's not a
Get it
red.
red, get it red, get it red, get it red.
So it's not a red.
I wish I remembered things. Dude, why the fuck would you make it fuck?
Alright.
Fuck!
Fuck.
What's that say, yellow?
Come on, it's not blue.
So it's not red, it's not blue. Somehow I saved her ass there.
Okay, it's yellow.
So it's not blue and it's not red.
It's yellow.
It could be yellow or green. So
The man of many mysteries.
take his hand and find out.
It's a yellow.
Got him.
Bro, literally I fucking hate this game.
Oh,
I
thank you.
fucking hate
Thank you.
Y'all are fucking ass.
Hey, I passed your quay. Oh. Well, we got an interesting hand here, boys.
Okay, Google, turn the light on.
Fuck off!
Jacoy says, fuck. Oh shit. Fuck it. YOLO. No!
Why would you challenge that?
Oh, fucking whatever.
Alright,
Look at my fucking hand, the way it is. Tell me the fucking way
One
this shit.
opportunity. One shot. One opportunity.
Shit.
Man, oh man, do I fucking hate this game.
Thank you. I took a bullet for everyone. I took a bullet for everyone. Here you go.
Fuck!
Pretty much any card you'll play, I'll play it as well. Except that card.
Let's leave.
Dumbass! Gonna make me fucking not be able to skip. Aw, fuck! You fucked it. Jacoy, you're slow, ass.
Alright. Everybody do the flop.
Look at me. I am the captain now.
Everybody do the flop.
Bleh.
This hand is even better. This hand is way, way better. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. End it.
Come on, give me some more. More! Yes! And this is why I want more.
Holy fuck. No. No! Okay! That's enough now! Come on! Fuck me! No! Fuck! Is that a 6? I don't even have a 6 in my damn hand. Fuck! Fuck!
That was awesome. I don't even care that I got skipped. That was awesome. Went from 2 cards. He went from 2 cards to 15 cards.
Hey Trey, become barely legal.
Barely legal? Oh my fucking god, fuck you. Fuck.
Alright,
God damn it, I was gonna make Trey legal.
Trey actually had a pretty decent hand, not even gonna lie.
I insist.
This might go.
I mean, so do I.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Just gave him a win. What the fuck?
Because I helped him win last game, he might help me this time.
Thank
Fuck! Chris, you see my hand, right? You see how good that shit is?
Oh yeah, it's really good.
You see why I didn't want to actually play that? I meant to fucking hit circle to keep that fucking 7, but I fucked myself.
Come on, guys.
You know what would make this game really fucking interesting?
My dick in your mouth?
No, seriously, listen to me. You know what would make this game really fucking interesting? Is whoever's hand you wind up being on at the end of the fucking game, that's the person who wins.
Exactly.
Like, what if they added that as a rule? It would be called, like, random fuckery or some shit like that.
Random fuckery.
Literally,
Fuckery or some shit.
I feel like that would be such an interesting rule to play. I know what Chris's last color is. We need to get it off blue.
Are you sure about that? Oh, thank
Fucking damn
Fuck
it.
it!
Fuck you, you fucking pile of shit.
Oh, come on.
Good job, dumbass. Fucking idiot.
Let's do another round.
7-Eleven.
Literally, you sound so stupid.
Fuck was that?
Oh my god, what the fuck? You cut out there for a minute, and then all of a sudden, when you come back, all I hear is
I'm a fucking pterodactyl.
that is definitely not a pterodactyl.
It's
Fuck.
the retarded pterodactyl, okay? Chill.
The retarded?
Yes, the weetard. The weetard! Oh, hello, thank you.
Fuck off, dick. Ugh.
Dang it, Trey, you fucked us.
Oh no! Oh, bitch.
Thank you.
Oh no.
It's your turn, Trey.
Oh no. Fuck you, faggot. You got my hopes up for a minute there.
Exactly.
He said Uno. Why did it make him draw?
Come here.
That was awesome. Fuck you, Jaquay. Fuck you and your Uno. I challenged it anyway, and you got fucked.
Oh shit. Oh, it's like that, dude. Yeah, I'll go with you.
Which color, Boar?
Hey, bros, I gotta go.
Wait, what? Why?
I gotta go to the store and go to McDonald's with my sister real quick.
Damn it.
Alright, here I come.
Make that fucking cook draw cards. Fucking penguin bitch.
Fucking penguin cook.
Penguin cack.
Ooh, yes.
Fuck.
Oh, yes.
Gave the fucking robo penguin my cards. I swear to God, if we lose to a fucking robo penguin, I'm going to kill myself.
Oh, fuck.
I am fucked because I don't remember what his last card is. Fuck me! Nigga, I just drew. The fuck are you doing? Okay, thank God. Thank fucking fuck! Fuck you, Robo Penguin.
Oh, it's
shit.
going blue. Oh shit, fuck me.
Yeah, that's right. Fuck you. Oh.
Oh, fuck me!
Fuck you, Robo. Oh.
Yeah, that's right. Fuck me again.
I was gonna say, yeah, fuck you, Robo Penguin, but damn.
He's like, fuck you, running down my
He's like,
gooch.
no, fuck Trey.
He's like, no, fuck you, running down my...
Hand it out for me.
Alright, fuck you, bitch ass. Can I play, please?
No.
Can I win? Can I win the fucking game, please?
No.
You know what? All that matters is that fucking Robo Penguin is not winning. That's all that matters.
No!
Trey, you're a fucking idiot.
Don't challenge a robot, they know what they're doing.
Yeah, don't challenge Robo Penguin. He'll fucking munch on your asshole with his beak.
Don't challenge Robocock.
Look at how many goddamn cards I have, holy fuck! That was some bullshit.
Fuck you, Robo Penguin.
Fuck you, Robocock.
Fuck you, Trey. Those are mine.
Fuck you, they're mine now.
Fuck you, you piece of shit.
God damn it! Should I play now?
No.
And Trey's retarded.
The fuck? Somebody knocked on my door and wasn't even there.
Your house
Yeah,
is
and you
haunted.
also just drew cards without being able to play.
Your house is haunted. I guess I'm gonna sit here for a while. Might as well just stroke my cock.
Fucking Robo Penguin's cucking Chris.
Well, guess what? I'm a cuck
Fuck
Robo
you, you
Penguin.
robot. Fuck you robot bird bitch.
Fuck!
Robo boner.
Finally, I get to play one card. 2 cards.
My dog's retarded.
What?
He
What
tried
happened?
he tried to sit, but the door was open, so when he sat, he flung the door open, he fell backwards and just said, fuck it, I'm gonna lay down here now. He's trying to sit, the door fell,
Fuck
he
you,
fell, he
you
said,
fucking...
"Fuck it."
I swear to God, dude. Chris, why would you do that to me? Why?
He said, fuck it, I'm gonna lay down.
Y'all are fucking
My dog's
assholes,
so
dude. Those are my cards, Trey. Give me my cards, bitch. Alright, Chris, you can fuck my... It is a fucking red card. It's a red 3. Fuck you.
Shit,
Mother-
you made the bot with you, dumbass!
You fucking dude, I'm about to leave.
You're,
This is fucking
you're gonna
bullshit.
make the bot with you, weird! Fuck! No, go the other way!
Both of us either stick together. Wait. Ethan, don't do anything. Just draw and don't do anything. I have a +2. I have a +2.
I could have played the red 5 and you could have done +2, and now I got a reverse because of you. Fuck you. I'm gonna keep that. Fuck you.
He said, fuck
You know,
I'm
Chris,
gonna keep that.
Chris, you could have just let me fucking win, but no, you had to let the fucking Robo Bird bitch fucking win. Fuck you. Fucking piece of garbage.
You have nothing fucking good.
See,
in you.
this just makes my fucking point come true. Fuck you, Chris, you suck at this game, it was all luck.
It was all luck.
Fuck you, Robo bitch, don't look at me like that.
Don't look at me in the
I see you over there beady-eyeing me. Fucking piece of shit. That better not be a green. That better not. Fuck me! It was a wild!
Dude, I was gonna try and draw a +4. Fucking +4 his ass, but no, you had to ruin it. I know what I'm
Fuck you,
doing.
Chris. If you could have just let me win, the bot wouldn't have won. That was all you. Fuck
Shut
you,
up.
faggot.
Here, go again.
Fuck why you play stuff.
Fuck you, bitch.
Fine, I will. Uh-oh.
Good. Why is he stealing your car?
Fuck you! Fucking robo bitch!
Ethan, by the way, if you look at my character, I'm a bird too.
Yeah, you're both robo bitches!
Birds of the feathers stick together.
Birds of the robot cock up their ass!
Birds of the robot cock up their ass.
I swear to God, if this fucking bird wins a second match, I'm ending it. Either one of the fucking birds, if either of you fucking win, I am ending it. Fuck you.
If either of the birds win.
Dude. Can somebody take my hand? Please?
Can the fucking bird give me my cards back?
Here, let me help you. What color?
I'm not
Yellow.
telling you. If
Yellow!
I tell you what color, you'll pick a different color, you Jew. Fucking gas yourself. Just stick your head in the fucking showers and turn it on.
That would actually clean me.
Oh my god! 15 cards! When I could have 5! Oh boy, do I love Uno. I love this game, guys. Let's play it every day. When I played this yesterday, I literally had no idea I could get fucking pissed and stressed off at fucking Uno. Fuck.
Revenge time, you can get him. Get his ass.
Fuck you, hoe-ass bird.
Not even! Love you.
Fuck you, you ass!
Chris, you should be lucky. I saved you. You should be happy and proud of me.
I am. Thanks, Dragon Boy. We have to team up on the Joker now. We have to take down the Joker.
Fuck you both!
Fuck! Good luck! Ethan, you're gonna quickly regret that fucking card.
Fuck off! I'm not talking to you.
That hand's gonna
Draw the whole deck!
Okay.
Fucking faggot. Not me!
Look at how many cards you guys have. Holy fuck. I'm a fucking god over here. I never have that many.
Fuck off! You had almost 20 last game, you fucking jackass. Fucking hate you. Give me my fucking cards, faggot.
Ooh, I like this deck.
Hey,
Ooh.
Ethan, I'll do you a favor.
Woo!
Fuck! I was about to say that bird bitch takes my goddamn cards. Fucking, I'm gonna name you Birdwardo, just for fun. Fuck off! I hate you!
Fuck, it's my turn?
Yes, your turn.
Yes. Fucking me. Fuck you!
What is going on?
Fuck, I messed it up! I could've jumped in!
He said, fuck, I messed up. Hey, can you take that fucking back, sir?
Fuck you!
Fuck!
Eat my dick!
We don't have enough colors for this shit.
Now I'm gonna fuck your ass for always taking my shit and fucking me!
Do it!
Fucking piece of shit. Fuck! Actually, that works out nicely.
Fuck, that works out nicely.
Fuck!
Fuck!
Shit, they're not even good cards!
Fucking bitch! Oh my fucking fuck. I'm gonna have a fucking stroke with this game! Fuck you, you dirty hoe!
I can't breathe!
Yeah, and fuck you too! Fucking ballsack!
Oh.
Oh no! Bitch!
Bitch!
Ethan, get him.
Ethan, how does it feel to be considered a dumbass?